Hello everyone, my name is Malaka Ganesh MV from first year CST department in Srinivas Institute of Technology. I am here to talk about my innovative idea that is sunrise alarm clock. From my observation and as a student, it is very difficult to wake up early in the morning. So the sunrise alarm clock will help the people to start the day with fresh and positive. Integrated voice recognition technology such as Alexa and Google Assistant, users can simply speak the desired wake-up time or customization preference, making it convenient and hands-free. In this alarm, it develops an intelligent algorithm that analyzes users' sleep data and provides personalized sleep coaching tips and recommendations to improve sleep quality and establish better sleep habits. Body parts in sunrise alarm clock. LED source. The main feature of sunrise alarm clock is LED source. It emits a gradually increase and brightening the light, mimicking the natural sunrise. Control panel. It is touchscreen display to adjust the settings according to user's preference. Snooze button. Like traditional alarm clock, sunrise alarm clock also have a snooze button that allows you to temporarily silence the alarm and get a few more minutes of sleep. Thank you.